5 number bedrooms bungalow house. This is a private residential home design by Michael Mukaira. This is practically entrance to the property. And then what we have here is the plan layout and then an overview of the entire site. When we look at the site, we do have 100 by 100 plot with just 2 access roads. We have 5 number bedrooms, have the master bedroom, and then 4 other bedrooms. Bedroom number 4 is basically a guest bedroom, and bedroom 5 is a labor's bedroom which can be accessed from the outside. So back to our ArchiCAD, this is basically the plan layout. You can see it's basically the 2 plots, 50 by 100 and another one 50 by 100. You have the lounge, veranda, then the entrance porch. We have like a small circular stair that takes us to the loft. And this layout is on 2 levels. So the entire lounge area is on 1 level, while the bedrooms, in fact the lounge area and the master bedroom is on 1 level, while the lounge, while the other 2 bedrooms 2 and 3, dining, kitchen, bedroom 4 and 5 are on another level. So let's look at this in 3D. This is how the house looks like. This is the loft with some good aeration. This here is the entrance. We do have a ramp and then steps. This is basically the side view of the house, where we do have the guest bedroom. And this out here takes us to the backyard of the house. In this section we do have a laundry. And basically this is the kitchen yard. Some nice planters next to the bedrooms. And we do have some solar panels on the roof. And this back takes us to the front. So this is a simple 4-bedroomed house, but you can say 5, but the 5th bedroom is much smaller, and it is being planned in basically 2 plots of 50 by 100. This is one other rendered image. You can see the compound area, which has also been put in 2 levels. And these are also some of the images of the interior. We do have the lounge area. You can see the steps that take us to the dining section and then the kitchen. So once again, thanks for watching my videos, and please do subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.